I am looking at the shoulder joint. The shoulder joint is a ball and socket joint that allows 360-degree rotation and up, down, forward and backward movements. As the swimmer is swimming, the shoulder is circumvening and allowing the shoulder to rotate so he can propel himself forward. The bone attached to the shoulder joint is the humerus. This is attached to the biceps and triceps. The biceps are fusiform muscles and therefore the muscle belly is the widest part of the muscle. The triceps are multipinnate muscles and have many different muscle bellies. As the arm is going forward, the biceps are extended and the triceps are flexed. But as the arm goes backwards and up, the biceps flex and the triceps extend. I am now looking at the elbow joint. The elbow joint is a hinge joint that allows one-way back and forth movements. As the swimmer is swimming, the elbow is flexing as the arm goes backwards and up, but extends when going forwards and down. The bones attached to the elbow joint are the ulna and radius. These are attached to the forearm muscles. As the arm is going forward, the forearm muscles are extended, but as the arm goes backwards and up, they flex and extend again. I am looking at the spinal column. The spinal column is a row of bones all connected down the axial line in your body. As the swimmer is swimming, the spine is extended to keep you afloat. All bones and muscles are connected to the spinal column and it is compulsory to have because it allows you every movement you can make. I am focusing on the hip joint. The hip joint is a gliding joint that allows back and forth and side-to-side movements. As the swimmer is swimming, the hips are moving forwards and backwards to allow leg movement. The bone attached to the hip joint is the femur. This is attached to the hamstrings and rectus femoris. The rectus femoris is a bipinnate muscle, which means that there is cartilage separating the two sides of the muscle. The hamstrings are multipinnate muscles and have many different muscle bellies. As the leg is going up, the hamstrings flex and the rectus femoris extends. When the leg goes down, the hamstrings extend and the rectus femoris flexes. I am looking at the knee joint. The knee joint is a hinge joint that allows one-way back and forth movement. While the swimmer is swimming, the knee is flexing and extending. The bones connected to the knee are the fibula and tibia. The fibula and tibia are connected to the gastrocnemius. The gastrocnemius is a bipinnate muscle, meaning that there is cartilage separating the two sides of the muscle. As the leg goes up, the gastrocnemius is flexed, but as the leg goes down, the gastrocnemius is extended.